Kia ora guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making the famous Cook Island potato mayonnaise. Okay guys, some people call it pink potato salad, but it's the Cook Island potato mayonnaise guys. It was requested by Rich Butch and Rue Walding. So this is your request guys, and I'm going to do it today, okay? So I'll be making the mayonnaise, right? And in the mayonnaise you'll be needing the lemon, the oil, and 2 egg yolk and a little bit of salt. Then you got to boil the potatoes. Okay, it's already been chopped up ready to boil, and I have a can from Coles, the diced beetroot, so you don't have to go through the trouble of chopping it up if you don't want to, you know. So, and then I'm going to boil the eggs. The eggs goes on top of the potato mayonnaise when it's finished. Anyway, so you'll need mixed veggies and also some lettuce, okay? And that's to decorate the potato mayonnaise when everything's done. So here's all your ingredients, guys, for the famous Cook Island mayonnaise. The eggs will go on top of the, yeah, that's I already said that, didn't I? There you guys go. Back in the days, when my husband first taught me how to make the mayonnaise, he used to make me hold the bowl while but now we've moved up in the world guys. You can get one of these and it does the job much faster. And there it is guys, mayonnaise. I better turn this off. Don't want to get electrocuted. You guys must have seen me shake. Look. Nice. So this is the mayonnaise that I got guys. Homemade mayonnaise. That's going to go on top of the potato salad. That's all I want. Go on the top of the potato salad, okay? This time I have bought a rolling pin, so I'm going to leave it here, so if I ever need it, it's available, okay? Not some alcohol bottle on the side there. Comes off real easy. Easy peasy. You got it, yeah. Bam! You know. As a child, I used to love the white of the egg when it's boiled, and I used to throw away the yolk part. But now, without the yolk part, it's not an egg. Not a complete egg when you boil it. Hello. Peel properly. Hurry up. People are watching. Shh. Okay, you can come.
Yeah, I want to come.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, just do.
You better have.
How do I do it?
You just crack it and peel it, that's all. How do you do it?
It's hard.
You look at it and it'll just fall apart. Yeah. Just hit it on the bench there. Can you hurry? Don't have all day waiting for you to crack your egg.
This is hard work.
I know. so much for squeezing in the egg. I think it was the whole, it was the lemon and the skin. O ka pipero rea me sole. Wala iang koe whai mai a e ngā pipero. I thought I'd try that, guys, because man, it worked the other day for me. Must have been good eggs. So these bad eggs, big question mark. Okay guys, it's time to put this all together, right? I'm going to mix it into this big bowl. When I'm done, I'm going to put it on here. I'll put everything together. Okay? Okay. This is my can of chopped up beetroot. So I'm going to put the potato all in here. It's not completely cold, but got to get this done, guys. And then you put in the mixed veggies into the potatoes. Then you put in your beetroot. You know what? I'll put the whole can. This is about 6 medium potatoes, what I used today. Anyway guys, you know the mayonnaise that I made? Because Rue had asked me to show how to make the homemade mayonnaise, I did it, okay? But I normally don't add it in with my potato. I would rather put that just on top. But this is the one I'm gonna mix it in here. It's the Best Food mayonnaise. Doesn't look like enough. Who likes a whole lot of mayonnaise and who likes a little bit? Leave me a comment below if you like more mayonnaise or just a bit. I don't like less. No. Okay guys, yeah, it looks like it needs a little bit more. Okay, you just want to toss that together. Oh, it's coming together real good. Have a look guys. See? That's what it looks like, okay? It's beetroot, potato, mixed veggie and mayonnaise. So you toss it together and it's all combined properly. You give it a taste, see. Tastes okay. Tastes okay. Yeah, I'll just put a little bit of salt. So I'm just adding a bit of salt before I give it a last toss. There. So you push that aside. Then you put that on the side and you prepare your plate. This is the plate you're gonna serve it on, okay guys? So what you want to do, you get a dish, whatever kind of dish you want, and then you decorate it with the lettuce leaves. Okay guys? There you go. And then, can you see my plate? Yeah. Yeah. Then you get your potato, right, and you put it on. Do you know, I like it darker than this. I like more beetroot, but hey, I'm only showing you guys, okay? So any of you guys that don't know how to make it, well, I can never beat the Cook Islanders making this though. This is their kind of, you know, this is what they're known for. Okay. When I first met my husband, right, he wanted to show off and show me how it's made because I told him, you know, I really like the Cook Island mayonnaise. Okay. So he said, oh yeah, he's going to make us some. Right. Well, I didn't know I was going to be part of making it. So anyway, he put it together, got the oil, egg and everything. And it took a long time for him to beat it together, you know. A long time. Anyway, because I was, you know, holding the bowl. And I was thinking, is this how long it's going to take? Oh, I'm going to get me a clean spatula for this. Ta-da! I'm going to give this a wash. Yeah. And then you get that mayonnaise that I made. I put it in the fridge. It's nice to put it in the fridge to cool it down, and it will thicken it up too, you know. So you just want to put it over the potato mayonnaise. So this is the homemade one, right? Because this is what Rue Wilding, this is what Rue Wilding asked me to do, if I can do it. Rue is from Otara, guys, so shout out to you, Otara Rue. Yeah, I used to stay in Otara, guys. No shame in that, you know. You're from South Auckland, you're from South Auckland. So that's that, right, guys? Now you want to put the egg on top, okay? Bye. Yeah, that's just us and the egg. Hang on, wait. There's quite a bit of mayonnaise over here. Yeah, get over here. Yeah, and then you get the egg, the grater, and then here. Then you grate it on top of the mayonnaise, guys. Make it all pretty, you know. So after you do all this, you put it into the fridge, right? And you let it sit. So when people see it, they go. And if they don't, you go, hello, you're not going to have any. No. It's there for everyone to enjoy. And say, oh, tuku tuku. Do you know I call my husband tuku tuku? Because that's my way of saying Cook Island. Tuku tuku. It's a tuku 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 tuku. Yeah, I don't know if it's tukulon or... Wow, I like a lot of eggs on it. Why not? Why not? Hey, if you make it and that you want a lot of eggs, you go ahead. You don't need no one's permission. You just do it. Oh wow. Hey, gotta get these edges. I'll push it in. Get the edges. Gotta get this egg everywhere. Ooh, ooh la la. Ooh. There you go. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Hey. Hey, wait. This bit over here is feeling unwanted because it's got no egg on it. Oh, yeah, bit of that, yeah. Just spread some. Yep, there we go. Now I'm gonna sort this out and then I'll show you guys, okay? I hope you guys were paying attention because that's how you make it. And if the real cookies are watching and it's wrong, yeah, sorry. Yeah, but wow, just the way I make it. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. Wish me luck. Hey, not bad. It's best to get it to let it set, guys. But yeah. We won't let it sit, okay? We'll just dig into it and eat it. You know what? It's got a lot of mayonnaise right now, but after you put it in the fridge and you let it sit, it'll be just right. Promise. Yeah, you guys give it a go and let me know how it went. Did it work out or what? I want to say something about how I made that mayonnaise. I used the egg yolk, but for some reason it just wouldn't do it. But then I know that you can also use a whole egg. I only needed a little bit, so I used one whole egg, bit of lemon, and a bit of salt. But if you want more, you just have to double that or triple it. As ever how much you want. It's like 2 whole eggs if you want to double that amount that I made, with some salt and lemon. And you use that before it used to be the fork. Can you imagine, eh? People do that for so long, gets all hand and... But anyway, now you can buy a machine like and get it done faster. It only took about 1 minute, not even that. About 30 seconds. Be a bit better here. Anyway, guys, you guys all take care, and I hope you guys make this. Okay? Yeah. Ka kite, kia manuia, whasoifua. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you're a new viewer, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel. And then I'll be making more stuff, because there's more requests. Okay, ka kite. Bye for now. So whasoifua from me.